Over the last couple of months, I've tested out a whole lot of ways that people can use to make money with AI because as we all know now, currently in the online space, the fastest and the coolest way to make money online is adapting AI to what we do on a daily basis. And I've been testing out a whole lot of models over the last couple of months just to be sure before I shoot this video so I can give you the straight knowledge about what you can do with AI to make money online. So in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you up to 5 ways that you can use AI or adapt AI to what you are doing on a daily basis to make some money for yourself in the online space. So this is not a get rich quick business, and this is my personal opinion, what I've tested out that works for me, and I'm just sharing it with you so you too you can copy the exact step-by-step process so you can implement it on your own and get the results for yourself. So if you, all of this being said, guys, like this video, share with your friend, and let's scale up together. Let's get this channel to 10,000 subscribers in this month of August, because I will be sharing a whole lot of videos on this channel. Every models that I'm going to walk you through right now in this video, I will be sharing another video explaining everything in details and how you can do it for yourself. So you don't want to miss that video. Subscribe to this channel now, and let's get down to it. Number 5 on this list is AI content writing. You know, I've been talking about this a whole lot of time on this channel, and this is because I've tested it out myself and I can see the possibility. Now let me break it down to you. It's not just AI content writing. You have to be specific about what you do with AI. Maybe AI script writing, AI caption writing, social media posts, and all of those stuff, or sales copy, copywriting, and everything. Now, it's just basically simple. You picking up one particular thing that you can focus on, and you follow to the latter, to the end of the game, and make sure you get the exact same results for yourself before you quit on that particular thing. So AI content creation is something that you can leverage on right now, and you can get to sell maybe on freelance platform, or maybe you want to sell it directly to people that you are scouting for, because I have another thing that I'm going to share with you about how you can get freelance clients at the end of this video. So anything that you want to do, maybe on any platform, anywhere you want to do it, AI content creation still sells. Even you can sell it in your local area to business owners and all of those people that you can basically sell to, and they can get to swipe their card just to pay you for your service. So it's something basically simple. And the number 4 on this list is AI voiceover, right? You see, AI voiceover is very, very technical, and people think once they go to 11 Lab or any AI voice tools, they can usually transform their scripts to audio and they are good. Now the thing is just that that's not the end of everything. You can basically spice things up and make some money for yourself, because you don't want to make the voice to sound like AI. You are going to do some adjusting, which I'm going to share with you how you can do that service, how you can render it on this channel in the next couple of videos. So all you need to do right now is to partner with a whole lot of company. You can do this with maybe a platform that is working or looking for a transcriptionist, and also maybe on Fiverr, Upwork, and other freelance platform. You can get to sell this service, and I will show you how you can render this service as a skill. So if this is something that interests you, you can just subscribe to this channel now, so once I drop that video, you'll be notified, so you can come back on here and learn that process. So this is just something you, after generating the video with the particular AI voice agent that you use, you are going to do some voice editing, maybe the equalizer and all. You adjust it to be normal and proper like a woman. So that's what makes you AI voiceover expert and different from what other people doing with AI voiceover. Now the number 3 that I'm going to talk to you about is AI social media marketing. Right, you see, this is most essential thing, because I've used it a whole lot of time in my own personal business before even rendering it to a freelance client or anybody at all. Let me explain this. Now you have to go over to maybe the particular AI that you love, maybe Claude, but I recommend Claude. I use Claude a lot. Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, or anything that you use. Just make sure you get to familiar with what you want to do. AI social media marketing. So this is going to give you like a structure that you can follow to build a good structure of social media marketing strategy that you can implement on your social media accounts, and how you can get the result that you desire to get with that particular social media. Maybe engagement, followers, sales, traffic, website visits, leads, and anything. So it's basically you crafting your offer on social media where you use AI to structure the marketing funnel to get it done. And you can even use AI to set up an ad, which I'm still going to be showing you in the series of this video, because for the rest of the year I will be dropping 2 videos every other week on this channel, so you too you can learn and we can build together. So subscribe to this channel once again. let's grow together. And the number 2 that I'm going to talk to you about is the most essential one that I've used to make a whole lot of money in the online space. And I'm not promising you any amount because we have different psychology about working online and we have different experience. So all you need to do is just pay attention and learn, and you can copy my process and you can get the results for yourself, right? And this is selling of AI digital products, right? You see, digital products is one of the craziest things that you can leverage on right now in the online space. Now imagine you adapting AI that is currently trending with digital products. You see, this alone have made me a whole lot of money. As you can see some right here, some of these screenshots, as you can see right there, those are the money that I banked from selling digital products in the online space in the last couple of years. I've been doing this business model for the last 2 years and I've done a whole lot of crazy figures for myself, which I'm going to teach you everything for free. I'm going to dish out every knowledge that I know, how to create the products, how to sell it, how to map out to your audience, how to do everything that relates to make you money about digital products. So the very first thing that you need to know now is to make research about what kind of digital products do you want to sell. Discover yourself before we get to choose that video. Maybe you want to go into writing, or maybe templates, low content book, anything at all, right? Anything at all. Just discover yourself before you watch that video, because in that video I'm just going to be very, very straight to the point where we get to the creation of the product, and you can just implement it with your own kind of product. Then you create your own. Then from there we go to the marketing funnel setup and the management of money. Right now, the first one, which is the most biggest one in this industry for me personally, is AI powered freelance client acquisition. Right, you see, this one have helped me and a whole lot of people in my WhatsApp community to get jobs for themselves outside freelance platform. So I personally coach them how they can adapt AI to their scouting mindset and energy on how to get freelance clients outside freelance marketplaces. So this is not them just waiting on the freelance platform, waiting for order, or sitting around there just to have the order for themselves before they make money. They look out for the opportunities with AI. They scout, they go over to directory that relates to the whatever they are selling. And as you can see, we have a whole lot of results from this particular community on the screen right now. So that's something that you too, you can leverage on and you can get to start. So if you want to join that class, you can basically drop a comment in the comment section. So I'm just going to send you the access link to this particular course, so you too, you can enroll for it and you can get to learn from it. You see, all of these things that I just said are business models that I will still be breaking down to you step by step on this channel. So all you need to do right now is to just like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and watch out for the next video where we start treating each and everything of these things that I just said one after the other, so you too, you can start today and you can get to do a whole lot for yourself in the online space. So if all of this being said, guys, I will see you in the next video. Till then, guys, stay at peace and don't forget to like this video, share with your friend. This is a new chapter and you are welcome to the Hustlers Club.